Hello everyone, let's get to Lumion. Okay, after you install Lumion, by double click on it you can go to it. Okay, and when you did that you see Lumion 2023, this window. You can minimize it or maximize it or even close it, which most of the softwares have these features as well. Here is the language, and each language you like you can choose it here. We have 6 parts up there and 3 parts down here. Okay, the first step that you should go to is benchmark here. Alright, click on it. Then it analyzes your system, your PC or laptop, whatever you have. According to your hardware, it shows you the information that the Lumion is working on your system, if it is good or not, if it is convenient for your system or not. Here is GPU, and next one graphic memory, and then CPU and system memory. And as you can see, everything here is okay. Well, in this part you can click on here, rerun benchmark, to make it rerun again. Or in this part you can save it, or in this part in performance tips you can see the tips that it recommends you, some tips to improve your system to run the Lumion better than before. So that's it for performance tips, and here is the back that you can click on it and go back. Well, let me tell you something. Since we disconnected to internet when we are using Lumion, as you can see we have nothing here in this little window. Okay, we have tutorials here, as you can see, and when you click on it it goes to Lumion website to show you some tutorials which may be useful for you. And this part is knowledge base of Lumion, and here support. If there's a problem in your software, whatever it is, you can contact support by clicking on this part. But you can use this feature only when you have the student version or the licensed one. So we cannot use this part at all. Alright, as you can see here, yes, we are not connected to the internet, so we cannot see the website. But if you click on this learn more, it opens for us the Lumion website, as you can see. And as I told you before, you can buy Lumion Pro or the standard one here by a specific cost per month, as you can see. Alright, let me close it. We don't need it anymore. Very well. As I told you before, we have 6 parts here, and if you click on create new, you're able to enter the default template of Lumion, and you can choose each one of them to start your project. For example, if you want an empty space, you should choose this one. Or if you have a project that it is next to the beach, you should choose that one. Or this one is for the project that you need it to be around the mountain. This one, as you can see, forest environment for the forest area, and here it's about the desert, as you can see its name, and rest of them is according to your need. We have a lot of templates here. And let me tell you something. For example, you can choose this plain environment, this empty space, to achieve each one of these templates that we have here. But Lumion has all of them for us already. And let me tell you something. All the tools that there are in this environment are the same in this environment as well. Actually, all the tools are available in all of these templates. But for the structures that you need, it has set some templates for us to make it easier for us. For example, if you have a house beside the beach, you don't need to create the beach before that at all, because it has set it for you already. So you only need to create your house, and you don't need to spend your time on the environment. Okay, I will choose one of these later. Alright, let's get to the examples here. The cool part, let me show you. As you can see, Lumion has some examples for us. As you can see, for example, the inner and outer view here, a rainy weather or a snowy one, or even beach, and some other models. Alright, for you that you want to learn the software, you can choose each one of these, it doesn't matter. Alright, for example, this one, and let it load. Okay, when its loading is finished, you can check its materials, for example, which settings that it has set for the ground, the glass, for example, what effect it has. And if its setting is good, you can use it for your own project as well. In fact, it's a tutorial resource for you. And later, I'll teach you the navigation in Lumion. As you can see, we have all these options that we can use it for this model. Alright, we go to this movie part. That you can see some clips here that made of some effects or photos here that have been made by some effects. As you can see, well, it is the settings that you can change or modify it. And if you decide to go back to the main menu, you can click on this option, save and load the project, and here we go again.